Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today we are going to make custard ice cream or custard popsicle. So now let's see how to make it. First let's make a custard mixture. Take 1 cup of milk. Here I have taken unboiled milk. Then add 2 tablespoons custard powder. Now mix well. Make sure there is no lumps in it. Now set it aside. Now into a pan add 1.5 cup of milk. Let the milk come to a boil. Now milk has come to a boil. Turn down the flame to low. Add 4 tablespoons sugar. Stir until sugar dissolves completely. Sugar has dissolved. Now add in the custard mixture. Keep stirring until milk thickens. Stir in a low to medium flame. Now it has thickened. This is the right consistency. Turn off the flame and let it cool. Take a mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons fresh cream. You can also add whipping cream. Then add half teaspoon vanilla essence. With the help of a whisk for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the cream has thickened slightly. At this stage, pour in the custard mixture. Now whisk it well until cream and custard mixture gets combined. Now pour the ice cream mixture into the ice cream mold. If you don't have ice cream mold, you can also use glasses. Cover each ice cream molds and refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours. Ice cream is set completely. Take lukewarm water in a glass and dip each mold in a glass for 30 seconds. Ice cream comes out very easily from the mold. So our custard ice cream or custard popsicle is ready. Do give this ice cream recipe a try, and if you like the recipe, click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.